Camp Chef, cookware for life. True seasoned interior cast iron cookware is ready to use out of the box. Cabin kitchen. From the kitchen to the campsite, the square Dutch oven is perfect for roasts, casseroles, ribs, breads, and much more. The legless design makes it perfect for use in your home kitchen. This cast iron piece gives cooking superiority by evenly distributing heat to cook your food to perfection. Checking temperatures is easy with the thermometer notch, allowing you to insert a probe without lifting the lid. To expand versatility, the lid has been designed with raised ribs so it can double as a grill. Includes Dutch oven starter booklet with seasoning tips. True seasoned finish cast iron. Lid reverses and has raised ridges for use as a grill. Built-in thermometer notch. Legless design for use in home ovens. Convenient loop handle on lid. 12 in diameter. Top reviews from the United States. I am quite happy with my Camp Chef bread pans. My goal was to bake sourdough bread in my bread pans. I found a site on YouTube where this was done using 2 Camp Chef cast iron pans. The dough is loaded into one and then covered with the other pan. My first attempt turned out wonderfully. It made good sandwich bread. However, I realize that I enjoy the rustic bread more. Today I baked 2 loaves of banana bread in my 2 Camp Chef pans and I was just as pleased with the results. I am very happy to have these pans and will enjoy using them. I am planning to clean out my pans and donate my glass bread pans, keeping these 2 Camp Chef pans.